Hi, this is Vizi Pro3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete chart on Excel. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Excel is a powerful tool for managing and analyzing data. Excel's key feature is creating charts that help Excel user with data visualization clearly. Sometimes chart needs to be cleared or deleted in Excel, either due to error or because they are no longer needed. So how to do it? It's so simple. In this video, I will show you how to delete chart on your Excel. So first, all you need to do, of course, we have to open our Excel. Now, as you can see, I have a chart on my Excel in here. If you want to delete it, you can just click on the chart. Now, you can just go to the chart format or chart design. You'll find there is an option delete, but if you click on delete, all the data on your chart on your Excel will be deleted. So you can just click on the chart and you'll find there is an option clear on that. You can just click on that, clear all. So now your chart has been deleted, removed from your Excel. So simple, right? If you want to add another chart, you can choose on the insert on your ribbon. So that is how to delete chart on your Excel. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.